So guess what came today? My Kestrel saddle hunting kit. Ordered it on November 8th. Was supposed to come tomorrow, December 18th. Came one day early. I almost went out and hugged the postal lady as she parked in front of the house and started coming up with a box in her hand. Oh, been a long time waiting for this. Season's only got about 2.5 weeks left, but I'm going to be practicing setting it up in the backyard on one of the big pine trees. And then I hope to take it out this week because I'm on vacation and get a couple hunts out of it. Still waiting on Tether to get me my platform though. I do have some wild edge steps I'll use as a temporary platform. And I'm going to open this box in case you're thinking about ordering a kit, and you can see what's inside this box. See how they package it up, and then I'm going to go outside and try it out, see how it works. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be very exciting, I think. New way of hunting for me. I think it's going to help me get closer and closer. Definitely will save a lot of weight on what I'm carrying out into the woods now. So let's open up the box and see what is inside. All right, so I've already cut this open. So what is in our Kestrel kit from New Tribe? Our invoice. Stick that underneath my Wisconsin hunting regulations. This is something I ordered a little extra. The clips to go into the Molly straps on the back so I can clip on different items. So I'll be probably clipping on one of these back here, my retractable strap kit. But this is that little kit they sell for $8. Debbie put that in there for me after about a week and a half ago. I called her up and asked her if she could throw it in there with it. After I paid for it, of course. We've got a nice little pouch. We've got a zipper. We've got a nice little decal in there. US made by Aero Hunter, New Tribe. We also have in there the Aero Hunter back band user guide. Show you how to use that and adjust it. And then the Aero Hunter Kestrel tree hunting system. Directions on everything you need and how to use it. Hook up. Should be very interesting to go through that. Been watching a lot of YouTube videos on this system. I'll close this back up. And inside, this should be my tree rope. Right there. This is the back band. Let's see what we got here. This is hooked up together. So here is the back band. It's already hooked up to the bridge line. It's a nice little back band. Goes up and down with these Pritchard knots here. I'm going to unhook that real quick. Kind of get it out of the way a little bit. And then this is, woo! And this is the saddle itself. These are the new ADF buckles that they put on this unit. So here's the waist buckle. You can see that nice buckle there, ADF. Push both of these forward to get it to unhook. Back in to lock up. One for each leg strap. And then we've got hooked on here your bridge rope. Self-locking carabiner. So twist it, open it. When it closes, it automatically locks. And right here, a linesman rope. So that's what's in the system. Quality looks really nice. Sorry, I hit that camera, and looks like it was manufactured on 12/13 of 2018. All right, so that's what you get in your kit. So if you're ordering a kit, this is what you will see. I can't wait to put this on tomorrow and try it out on a tree in the backyard. So, see you guys later. And we'll go over this again tomorrow in the tree. Don't forget that subscribe button if you haven't already. Talk to you guys later.